Hello YouTube, I am Joe, and today let's talk about warped wood and how can I face it to get it back to real quickly. Super simple. All you need is a cutoff of any kind that fits against the fence perfectly square. And you're going to start by holding the front of this piece against the fence. And about midway of the problem, slightly ahead of the problem anyway, you can stick this down. Make sure you hold your fence tight, your part to your fence tight while you're putting this down. And there you go. It's that easy. Make sure that you push this down super well though, because if you don't, that will come loose during your cut, and I will bet you that will not be good. Once that's down good, test it. Make sure you got some good strength in it. And then your leading edge must be perfectly smooth. There can't be any step here. Zero. Otherwise the fence will trip on it at the leading edge and you will see it in your cut. At this point now, you're free to go through and take off this bead or whatever I was going to do, that is it, to face this other side, and then I'll spin it around, take this board off. I will have a perfectly sized board with very little hassle. You guys give it a whirl, let me know what you think. It's mighty easy to do. Take care.